Pinned notes simplify the way you manage patient information in PracticeQ. They carry data forward exactly as it was captured, ensuring consistency throughout your documentation. To enable pinned notes, go to your Clients section, select Profile Settings, and under Pinned Notes, check both boxes and save your settings. The Multiple Templates method streamlines note-taking by carrying over information between note templates or from patient questionnaires to your notes. This lets you reference information submitted by your patient or from another note without bouncing between records. To get this set up, go to the template that will be used first. For this example, we'll choose the intake form. Select the question you wish to pin. Avoid pinning demographic or insurance questions for best results. Click on Question Options and check the box for Pin to Client Profile. Repeat this process for all questions you wish to carry forward to your next template. When done, click Copy To and select your destination template. When your patient has successfully submitted their intake form, create your note, making sure the correct note template is chosen from the drop-down. The information from the pinned fields in the patient's intake form has carried over into the initial note. Pinned notes save you time and minimize your risk of documentation errors.